Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a MySQL database on Hostinger. And make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Now, when you are on your home page on Hostinger, you want to choose a domain which you want to manage and where you want to create a MySQL database. So you basically choose a domain from here and you click on Manage. And after you're here on this page, you're gonna see manage your website you created for Hostinger right here. So you want to click on this one now. And now you are here. As you can see, there's a lot of options. There's an option right here, databases, or you can also access it through the left corner here. So I'm just gonna click on databases right here. And as you can see, you can create a new MySQL database and database user right here. As you can see, there's already one right here. And you can create one. So let's write it test. And let's create some password. And now let's create. And now, as you can see, the database was created successfully. And here you can go ahead and enter the admin here and basically edit everything. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.